Today, we're taking an in-depth look at MoneyLion, one of the most talked about apps for personal loans, financial management, and credit building tools. MoneyLion promises to offer a variety of services that cater to those who need quick loans or help managing their finances. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. As soon as you open the app, you're greeted with a sleek and user-friendly interface that offers an array of features. The main attraction of MoneyLion is its lending service. It provides personal loans to help with emergencies or short-term financial needs. These loans are easy to apply for, and approval is often quicker than traditional methods, making it convenient for people who need fast access to funds. One of the standout features is the ability to see your credit score for free, which is a nice touch for those looking to track their financial health. MoneyLion also offers a credit builder loan, which can be a helpful tool if you're working on improving your credit score. This option allows you to take out a small loan and pay it back gradually, which helps boost your credit rating in the process. Now, let's talk about the premium membership, MoneyLion Plus. For a monthly fee, you get access to additional features like investment tools, higher loan amounts, and more financial planning resources. While these features can be beneficial, it's important to weigh the costs of the membership against the benefits if you don't need the extra services. The app also includes budgeting tools, automatic savings, and other resources that can assist you in making smarter financial decisions. Whether you're trying to save more or track your spending habits, MoneyLion offers some solid features that are worth exploring. It's worth mentioning that while these tools are helpful, they aren't as advanced as those found in other finance apps. As with any app, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, MoneyLion makes it easy to apply for loans, track your credit score, and use some basic financial tools all in one place. The quick approval process and low fees are also notable benefits. On the flip side, the premium membership may not be worth it for everyone, and some of the financial tools feel a bit limited. Many useful links can be found in the description, where I provide additional resources, and you can learn more about the app or explore alternatives. If you're considering using MoneyLion for loans or financial management, I highly recommend checking out the details I've listed in the description for further insights. Overall, MoneyLion is a solid choice for those looking to manage their finances and take out small loans. If you don't need the extra features of the premium membership, the free version provides good value. However, if you're looking for more robust financial tools or advanced credit building features, you might want to explore other options as well. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more reviews and updates on apps and tools that help with personal finance.